Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, I just walked through my door and I have to record a video to share with you guys. You know what this is? This is going to be the decorate your lantern video. Guys, I spoke to the main host and I will try to do my best because my lantern, it is a Moroccan lantern. It's very unique. It's an antique. I bought it a long time ago in a thrift store. And I said, yep, you're coming home with me. So I'm going to do my best. I'm going to decorate with it for Valentine's. I'm going to be doing a vignette. Everybody's doing decorate your lantern, but I will be doing a vignette with my lantern. Guys, this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY, and she has a co-host this month, which is Connie Creative Creations. And I will tell you more about the rest of the co-hosts through the video. So first, I want to start by placing my... Okay, you guys seen this before? Let me bring you guys down a little bit. You guys seen this before, guys? I'm going to use my little scarf. So I'm doing a Valentine vignette. So of course I'm using the top of my electric fireplace. So yeah. So this is where my vignette is going to take place. So with that being said, I want to start by adding my little fairy lamps. These are little fairy lamps, which you guys will see it on in a minute. I will turn on the little lights. And guys, the host of this collaboration told me that we must have candle. I mean, I count this as electric candles, but I'm actually going to be using candle for my display, guys. All right, let me get the rest of my items. And also, with that being said, the co-hosts are at home with Lisa, Annalise Copper, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Creations by Simone, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, DIY with Auria, Marlene How To's, and Designs with Emma. Well, guys, I decorated my lantern and I will be placing my lantern last. I'm also going to be using my Valentine's heart right here. I don't know if you guys have seen my lantern. It's a very unique color. I will be combining those colors with some other items. I'm going to be using my little heart with some greenery right here. So I want to place that here. I don't know how everybody else is going to decor, but I'm going to decor like this. Also, I want to use my garland for Valentine's. And I'm also going to be using my big lips decor, which you guys have seen this one before. I want to place it here or maybe back here. I'm not sure. Let's see. Maybe there. Because the lantern is going to take place in the center. And I'm also going to be having my candles. I'm going to be using my little sign and my Be Mine sign. So I will be placing those here. And of course, I'm going to be using my colorful rainbow garland because my lantern has the color blue in it. All right, guys, I'm going to get my candles because my lantern is going to be the last thing that I will be placing. So hopefully you guys like what I did with it. I have never decorated my lantern before. It's hard to decorate it because of the way it is. So guys, let me move this a little bit this way. This might be a short video. Yes, it's going to be a very short video because I already have decorated my lantern previous to the video. Because honestly, guys, I've been messing with that lantern for like 3 hours now. And I don't know what to do with it. I never find anywhere to decorate it. So, anyways, let me put my lantern. Here comes my lantern, guys. I hope you guys like it. It looks more like a spring lantern, but it's actually, I decorated for Valentine's. I didn't have any space after I decorated my lantern to put flowers here, so I figured the flowers that you see on my lantern, that's gonna be my Valentine's flowers, and now it is coming apart. So, okay. So there we go. So I don't want to touch it too much because it will fall apart. I did it. I don't know what you guys call that crazy ball. You know, when you cut the ribbon. So I'm using gold ribbon that I previously have. I didn't bought anything. Everything that you see in here I already had. So like this, let me bring it down a little bit because I want to straighten this out here. So I want to put this fairy lamp here. I want to put my heart because like I said, it's for Valentine's. So you guys see the color of my lantern? It's like blue. But with that being said, I have my, hold on guys, I will right back. Okay, this is what it looks like with just the light there, but you guys can see it with the light with the main light off. As you guys see how the light changed color. Now with that being said, I'm going to turn on the little red heart. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, they're on, guys. And now I'm going to turn on the little fairy lamps, little candles, so you guys can see that one on. So Anna, thank you for hosting. Connie Creation, thank you for being our guest host. And all the lovely ladies, they are hosting with all of us together. Thank you for one more collaboration. Now guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my main candles. And this is going to be my vignette for Valentine. So what do you guys think? Is it nice? I think it's nice. Let me bring you guys closer. All right, guys, here it is. There goes my candles. I'm using the heart in the back. So guys, I'm using my heart garland in the inside of the lamp, and I'm using the little light with the little gems inside right there. And of course, I'm using my sign that says be my Valentine, and there is my video, guys. And let me say, like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.